B letter names for boy in Odia. First name is Vasu, means light. Second name is Venu, means flute. Next name is Vinu, means flute. Next name is Bhanu, means the sun. Next name is Bhim, means fearful. Next name is Biju, means victory. Next name is Vicky, means winner. Next name is Babul, means father. Next name is Basanta, means spring. Next name is Balaram, means brother of Lord Krishna. Next name is Vishwajit, means the world winner. Next name is Vasudev, means Krishna. Next name is Bapun, means smart. Next name is Bhanuprakash, means sunlight. Next name is Vinod, means joy. Next name is Bharat, means well groomed. Next name is Bhavani, means goddess Durga. Next name is Bhishma, means Mahabharat. Next name is Bihari, means Krishna. Next name is Vijay, means victory. Next name is Vikas, means prosper. Next name is Vikram, means prowess.